Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So this is your Walgreens curbside video for the week of January the 19th to the 25th. And what a curbside deal means is that you're ordering this stuff through the Walgreens app, paying for it, driving to the store and picking it up, and it is that easy. You are hitting the box on the left-hand side with the red check, and there it is. If you can't add certain items to your basket, probably out of stock at your local store. The sooner you get your order in, the sooner it'll get fulfilled. A lot of you are dealing with a really bad snowstorm as well. I recommend, put your order in. You have up to 72 hours to pick it up. It's either 72 or 48, but try and time it out so you are safe and not driving in a really bad snowstorm to Walgreens. Now, if you are the kind of shopper that likes to do in-store deals with those paper register rewards, watch yesterday's video. Lots of clearance producing register rewards, 29-cent razors and other magic. I will link this video at the very end. Check it out. And if you love this sort of shopping, shopping from the comforts of your home, especially on a frigid day, please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up. It really helps me out and the channel if you could take a second and like the video. Thank you so much in advance, guys. Okay, first thing I want to talk about is this larger 7.4 ounce bag of the crunchy cookie milk chocolate M&Ms. And it is 50% off at $3.29 on a buy one get one 50% off. And then I think it's the king size, the 1.41 ounce bags of the M&M caramel. That is 49 cents. If you could possibly throw them into a curbside if you want some candy and your store has them in stock, look for those too. Unfortunately, I could not find them in my region. Okay, deal number one, we are looking at doing a $30 basket. So if you have this booster, load it and pick and choose wisely how you wish to use it. It's once per store card. For this one, we're going to grab one of these Olay night creams, and they are $8.99. And some of us have a $6 off of one coupon. It's going to drop this guy down to $2.99, which is really cheap. And then just to show you, hopefully you have the same coupon as I. See this 6 off of 1, make sure you have it loaded. Next item we're going to grab is the $23.99 Olay Super Serum, the 5-in-1. This is the smaller one, but if you've ever wanted to try it, this is your opportunity. And we have a 10 off of 1 that is attaching to that smaller bottle. So how exciting is that? Just to show you the little chorus line, we have the $6, $1.70 with the code WAG10, and then a 10 off of 1 for that Olay Super Serum melting off right there. The overall basket here is $32.98. WAG 10 taking $1.70 off. We are still at that $30 threshold, just to let you guys know. Free curbside pickup, taxes $1.88, $16 in coupons falling off right there. So with your debit card, you're going to pay $17.16, as the promotion is to spend $30, get back $7, and you're getting back $7. So it makes both of those lotions reasonably cheap. If you always wanted to try Olay Super Serum, this is your opportunity. Okay, the next deal that we're looking at, we are going to be grabbing 3 of the Walgreens toilet papers, and they are the 9 rolls. They're on a sale for $3.99, so 3 of them is $11.97. And then just to show you, using the code WAG10, $1.20 melting off. You can use new 10 or WAG10. You pick which code you want to use. And then just to show you, $11.97, $1.20 coming off, free curbside pickup and 65 cents of tax. You're paying $11.42. If you have $10 in Walgreens cash, use 10 and pay $1.42. Okay, deal number 3. Now this one is an either or. We have either the liquid for $15.99 or the larger Gain Flings for also $15.99. And we have a $4 off digital that's attaching to them. So you pick if you want to do a baby basket for $10. If you wanted to double it, you'd obviously add both, load both coupons, and you'd use $20 in Walgreens cash. Just to show you $4 melting off, and then using the code WAG10, an extra $1.20 as well. The overall total, just picking up one of these, I'm just going with the liquid, $15.99, WAG10, $1.20 coming off, and then that $4 manufacturer as well. So for me, it would be $11.68. If you have $10 in Walgreens cash, by all means, go for it. If you wanted to get a fling and the liquid, it would be $23.36. You would use $20 in Walgreens cash if you have it, and it would be $3.36 for the two, which I think is a super smart flip of that $20 of Walgreens cash. Okay, so now we're looking at deal number 4. And then for this one, I'm thinking Super Bowl party that's going to be coming up in the next couple weeks. We're going to put in 5 bags of the Lay's potato chips. I'm going with classic. If you want to get one of the flavored bags, by all means, or if you want to mix and match, go for it. Then we're going to load this coupon, which is a 3 off of 5. So that's why we're throwing in 5 bags of those chips. And then we're also going to grab 2 bags of these Nerds. And they are 2 for $4. We have a $2 off and a $1 off, which is both a store and a manufacturer coupon. Make sure you have both of these guys loaded for maximum savings. Now, just to show you guys, $2, $1.55 with WAG10 melting off, and then another $3 for that 3 off of 5 for the chips. The overall total is $21.50, $1.55 coming off for Nerds and the promotion code. And free curbside pickup, because this is food, no tax, $6 also coming off for us. So the total here is $13.95. If you wish to use $10 in Walgreens cash, it's $3.95. And the final deal that we're looking at is deal number 5. This one, we're grabbing 3 of these Ghirardelli hearts. It has to be the heart one. And they are priced at $4.99, so 3 of them is $14.97. Now, to show you guys the code WAG10, you're getting an extra $1.50 off. So doing this in-store to curbside, you're at least getting a little bit of savings using the discount code. Just a little bit of food for thought. If you head over to your IBOTTA account, there is $2 back on each, and you can do this a limit of 3 times. So when you go to get your order, you have to ask the cashier to process it through a regular register. If they do it with a handheld, unfortunately, you won't get a receipt. And because this is an IBOTTA offer working in concert with this curbside pickup, you have to make sure you get a receipt. That's imperative. Okay, so the overall total for all of those chocolates is $14.97. WAG10 taking off an extra $1.50. Free curbside pickup and no tax because this is considered food. If you want to use $10 in Walgreens cash, go for it and pay $3.47. You absolutely need a receipt. And then once you get it, you're going to photograph it in store for $6 back from IBOTTA. So it drops it down to like $2.49 per bag, which is really great if you wanted to give these as teacher gifts, or if you wanted like a big bowl of Valentine's Day candy at your work office or home. This is a way to do it on the cheap. That's it for this video, guys. As always, thanks for watching. And if you want to watch yesterday's video in store, it's linked right here. Catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.